Welcome back, YouTube. I know I've been MIA, haven't posted in weeks, mainly just on shorts, but I got a good one for you guys today. I'm with my boys here. They're over here in the camera. This gentleman right here, M5 Competition. I know, BMW, we're an American channel, but you know, we got to give respect where respect is due, as long as it's not, yeah, as long as it's not like Benz or Audi or something like that, you know? And most importantly, it's not JDM. Right, this is my boy Samar too. He's got the X5M Competition. Let's go take a look at what we're working with here. So here is the S650. So my buddy Samar, he has a twin turbo upgrade downpipes. He's making 1,000 to the tire. I'm just kidding, it's stock. But one day, I mean, this car is already pretty nasty on its own. Look at this thing. The fans are on because he was really aggressively driving at the speed limit. Then here is the M5 Comp. 2022 LCI. It's the best one in my opinion. The new one is kind of bloated, literally weighs like 6,000 pounds. This one is absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's see who sounds the best. All right, yeah. I have a feeling me and this chap right here are gonna win.
Nah, he's got it. He's got it.
Samar, what are your thoughts?
He don't got it like that.
We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Same engine that is awesome.